How to order items on TEMU. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can order items on TEMU. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your TEMU application. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then you can start searching for the product that you want to order. So let's say that I want this drone. I'll just open that up. Now, simply choose the quantity that you want. I'll just select one and tap on add to cart. After you tap on add to cart, you can then simply head over to cart. So let's head over to the cart right here. And to finally order this, you can then tap on checkout. After you tap on checkout, fill in all the information here. Type in your address, you can enter it manually and go through with your phone number as well. Then you can simply move on with this by going through the payment method and your order will have been placed. And with that, you will receive your item after it is ready to be delivered. And yeah, you will be updated on that process also. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.